Mr. Chairman, members of the Commission on Narcotic Drugs, honored guests, thank you for giving me this time to speak. I'm Gabriele Strasky-Poelzl, Austrian representative of CATFI, a drug prevention organization founded nearly 4 decades ago that's been engaged in developing and supporting policies focused specifically on reducing youth substance abuse. We're speaking to you today over concerns for the need for sensible regulatory pathways for cannabinoids. Legislative changes in the U.S. in 2018 opened the door to produce and market cannabinoids for numerous applications, but with almost no oversight. Cannabinoid producers have taken advantage of this lack of federal oversight with negative outcomes for consumers. Similar scenarios exist in other countries, which makes this a pertinent topic. One of the problems being faced is that unresearched information is marketed and put forth to legislators and consumers to create a narrative that these products are safe, when this is not backed by rigorous scientific research and studies. Based on studies conducted independently and by the FDA, the agency has not found adequate evidence to determine how much CBD can be consumed and for how long before causing harm. For this reason, the agency is not pursuing rulemaking allowing the use of CBD in dietary supplements or conventional foods. It is, however, considering developing a regulatory model that would provide access to quality cannabis-based medicines that may meet the patient's needs in the coming years. For this to generate safe and effective cannabinoid medication, rigorous criteria are needed, such as specific interventions according to research plan or protocol that can be randomized and controlled to allow comparison of drug treatment versus other or none, and that must be designed to answer very specific questions about treatment strategy, such as dosing, like in clinical trials and interventional studies. Only with rigorous scientific outcomes can a sensible and workable regulatory pathway be arrived at. That this is a necessity is self-evident based on a review of the ill-conceived regulatory pathways that are extant, none of which realize the benefits they envisioned and that are wrought with immense problems. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for giving me the time to speak.